You're going to need something to use as bowling pins. We use toilet paper rolls because we have a lot of them. You'll also need a ball and something to use as a bumper. We use 2 books, but you could use a binder or a box or anything flat that you have that can help push. You could even use your hands. In the first version of the game, we set up our pretend bowling pins on the far side of the room. One player will roll the ball while all the other players will help by pretending to be bumpers. The objective for the player rolling the ball isn't to roll the ball straight and get a strike. Instead, the player with the ball will roll it towards a bumper so the players holding the bumpers can help push the ball towards the pins. This way, when we knock pins down, it's a team effort. You can keep playing until all the pins are knocked down, and then give someone else a turn to roll the ball. For the second version of the game, you'll need something taller than books, because we won't have people hold them up with their hands, so the ball would just roll over if a book were laying down. Instead, we're going to be using boxes as bumpers. The object of the game is still the same. The player with the ball needs to roll the ball towards the bumpers. When the ball hits the bumpers, it will change directions and hopefully later hit the pins. Be sure to send us your own video of the game if you play this at home. Happy learning!